A warm greeting. Today is Tuesday, September 10th, 2024. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia. At the time of recording this video, it is 7:30 p.m. local time in Mississippi and Louisiana, where preparations are underway for the impact of what is now Hurricane Francine, expected to reach the region tomorrow afternoon, Wednesday. In this video, I'll be updating the forecast related to Hurricane Francine. But before that, I wanted to mention that we are also monitoring Invest 92 and the newly designated Invest 93, located in the tropical Atlantic. Invest 92 has a low chance of development over the next 48 hours, while Invest 93 has a high probability of development over the next 7 days. Later today, I'll be recording a video to discuss these two disturbances, but for now, let's talk about the forecast for Hurricane Francine. If we look at the infrared satellite image, we can see that this tropical cyclone continues to show signs of strengthening. However, the good news is that the strengthening has been slower than predicted yesterday, thanks to dry air entering the circulation. But due to the warm ocean temperatures, it has already strengthened into a Category 1 hurricane, with maximum sustained winds of 75 miles per hour. It is projected that over the next 36 hours, it will continue to strengthen, and is expected to reach Louisiana as a Category 2 hurricane by tomorrow afternoon, Wednesday. As you can see, the trajectory models all agree on this northeastward movement, and compared to yesterday, we have seen a shift in the tracks toward the southeastern sectors of Louisiana and also Mississippi. Additionally, there is a strong consensus that it will make landfall in Louisiana as a Category 1 or Category 2 hurricane. The effects won't just be limited to flooding caused by rain and storm surge, but we could also see some damage associated with hurricane force winds. Now let's look at the official forecast from the National Hurricane Center. The Circulation Center is expected to make landfall around 3 p.m. local time over southern and southeastern Louisiana, with sustained winds of 90 miles per hour. Because of this, a hurricane warning remains in effect for parts of southern and southeastern Louisiana. Additionally, in blue, you can see a tropical storm warning has been issued, extending from Texas to all of southern Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, where tropical storm force winds could be felt starting early Thursday morning. The Circulation Center should move over Mississippi as it weakens, but on its path northward, it will bring windy conditions and heavy rain later this week across parts of Tennessee, Arkansas, and Mississippi. Later, I'll show you the expected total rainfall amounts over the next 5 days, along with the projected maximum wind gusts expected across these states. Now, let's check out the latest runs of the global models. Here we have the American model, the GFS. You can see that during the night on Wednesday, it has Hurricane Francine making landfall as a Category 1 or 2 hurricane just south and southeast of Louisiana, and eventually maintaining a track over Mississippi, moving over parts of eastern Arkansas. The European model also agrees with these projections, showing movement over southern and southeastern Louisiana on Wednesday and Thursday, and then between Thursday and Friday moving over Mississippi and eastern Arkansas. The German model also projects it will make landfall as a Category 1 or 2 hurricane by tomorrow afternoon, Wednesday. Now, looking at the wind gust projections, you can see that some tropical storm force winds may begin to be felt across southern Louisiana starting tonight, with hurricane force winds making landfall around midday tomorrow. The Circulation Center is expected to pass just west of the city of New Orleans, and tropical storm force winds, shown in red and orange, should affect almost the entire state of Mississippi, parts of eastern Arkansas, and western Tennessee. In terms of rainfall accumulation, you can see that for southeastern Louisiana, 7 to 8 inches of rain are projected, especially during the afternoon and evening on Wednesday. Then, as the Circulation Center moves over Mississippi, between 2 and 5 inches of rain are anticipated across the entire state of Mississippi and parts of Tennessee and Arkansas, which should cause flash flooding in these states. It's important to take this into account when finishing preparations. Finally, regarding storm surge, 5 to 10 feet of surge are projected across southern Louisiana, which could cause coastal flooding. And for southwestern Louisiana and New Orleans, storm surges between 2 and 5 feet are expected. So, take extra precautions if you live near the coast in Louisiana, Alabama, or Mississippi. Well, that's all for this forecast update. I hope everyone in Louisiana, Mississippi, Arkansas, and Tennessee is ready for the impacts of this hurricane. Here at Hurricane Info, I'll continue to update these forecasts, so I recommend you subscribe to the channel. Go to the bottom of the video and click on the red button that says subscribe, then click the bell to get notifications when I post new videos. I'll sign off for now. Until the next video,